Some have said with John Deere's compact tractors, you're just paying for the paint.
Now they're getting under the paint and chipping away at the competition in this heavyweight matchup.
Let's get to the challenge and find out if the difference is more than paint deep. First up, comfort. The suspension on that Deere is first class. It's a smooth win.
Oh man, look at the other guys. They're feeling every bump. Yeesh. That's gotta hurt.
Let's see how they perform with their mower decks. Deere is already making light work of the attachment challenge, ready to go in seconds.
Meanwhile, the competition is fumbling around unlatching their mower deck. Hello, back pain.
Onto the loader. And look at that control.
Utterly flawless. I know I could use that kind of precision out of my tractor.
Ooh, this one is getting ugly fast.
It's domination in every category, but can they outlift the competition?
You bet. The loader is making that heavy haul look light as a feather.
Oh, man. I think the other guys better hit the gym. Yikes.
Let's see how these babies move.
John Deere is wrecking the competition in maneuverability. Check out that precision.
Looks like it's time to service the tractors.
Oh, come on. Now that's just showing off. They even have their equipment mobile app to make maintenance easier than ever.
With the entire John Deere service network in their corner, this contest was over before it started.
They're calling it. It's John Deere in a knockout.
Experience the winning performance of John Deere today at our showroom and see for yourself that the difference is more than paint deep.